All right, my friends, right now I'm doing a real quick video on this awesome charging dock. It's called the Dobe charging dock for Nintendo Switch, Joy-Con, and Pro controllers. I really like this because it got really high ratings on Amazon. It's DOBE, no special brand name, but it works as great as all the others. From the technical standpoint, just telling you from my technical standpoint, because my technology background, the internals are so simple. It's wiring and plugs. As long as the plugs work and the wiring works, it's going to do the same things as anything else. There's nothing inside of this that actually affects whether or not any of the controllers charge or not. So again, that's my thing. So it's got high ratings. This is what's in the box. This is a simple box open for you guys, but what's inside the box is the charging dock. And I'll show you in another box opening the actual controllers I got, because I got some controllers that are Nintendo Switch Pro controllers, and they're pretty awesome. Again, this is so inexpensive. I want to say I got this for $11 or something, guys, and it's got really high ratings on Amazon, so I'm happy with that. Good law. So I'd show you in the box, but I can't get it out of the box. There's that. It's really hard to get out. Here it comes. So first thing you want to see that comes in the box is, of course, the instructions. It's really, really great. This is the model TNS 1765. This is it. So you can see there's instructions. It's just the USB cable with the Type-C charging, and then it's got the same kind of connectors as the controllers. So if I can ever get this thing undone, that's perfectly rounded. Let's do it this way. I'll get it out one way or another. So you've got the controller base itself. It has an on-off switch and looks pretty good. Okay, and here is the wire. Pretty much that simple. The only thing I want to do here before I let you go is I'm going to show you, and this was not in the box, so this is in the box. It's just the instructions, this piece, and the wire. Let me show you how it works with the controller real quick. So, real quick with the controller, just so you can see, it works really well. So it goes like this, and you can put it on here. I'm not used to using these. Boom, just like that. And then this, let's see if it works this way. I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, like this. Wow, that's kind of easy. So like this. Boom. How cool is that, guys? It really does work well. So again, $11. There it is, box opening for the Joy-Con controller charger. Very nice.